Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda CRF450X electric start open class desert racer. Just arrived, beautiful condition. It's got brand new tires, chain and sprockets, new fork seals, new brake pads, runs like a top, brand new battery, new seat cover, new grips. This thing is in turnkey shape. Come on by and get this gorgeous CRF 450X with electric start. Only $49.99. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Contra Costa Powersports.